Italian firefighters have been battling numerous separate blazes on the slopes of Mount Vesuvius volcano near Naples. Tourists and residents have been evacuated for the second time in a week as a precaution after some observers thought the cloud of smoke was coming from the volcano itself. The flames have devastated pine forests and hectares of woodland in the area. At least 100 active fires through the Campania region are being tackled by around 600 firefighters and civil protection workers. Although arson in some cases hasn't been ruled out, dry weather and strong winds have certainly played their part.